Yes, sir. Please explain.
Yes. This was a petition pertaining to the seniority list of the police inspectors in Goa. The situation is this, that there are two branches of police. One is IRB and the one is the regular police that we know of. The regular police also deals with investigations and law and order, while that is not the case with IRB. Now IRB and the regular police are teamed up together as PIs. As PSIs, they are separate. Now, the scenario here in this particular case was I represent the regular police, not the IRB. Now, we were promoted on ad hoc basis to the post of PIs in the year 2013. Now, there was this nomenclature given as ad hoc because at that relevant time there were certain petitions challenging our original appointment as PSIs were pending. Now, since these petitions were pending in the Honorable High Court, we were appointed ad hoc as PSIs, and thereafter we were eventually promoted again as ad hoc as PIs. Now, this happens in 2013. The PSIs from the IRB came to be promoted in 2016, that is after us, but their promotions were regular. Therefore, the issue arose that if they are regular and we are ad hoc, we should be shown as junior to them, although they were appointed much after us, 3 years after us. Now, this is what we challenged before the Honorable High Court. We challenged the entire seniority list, which said that we were junior to the IRB police. Now, the argument was only this, that we were called as ad hoc because at the relevant time the petitions were pending against our initial appointment and our promotion. Eventually, the High Court decided in favor of the IRB at that point of time. We went to the Supreme Court and Supreme Court decided in our favor. Therefore, once the court decides in our favor, we are not to be considered as ad hoc, because when we were appointed in the year 2013 or promoted in the year 2013, we were promoted on a regular vacancy by a regularly constituted DPC, and there was nothing ad hoc. The fortuitous circumstance was that there was a petition pending. If that petition came to be decided in our favor, then we are not to be considered as an ad hoc. And therefore, we have to be treated as senior to those under the IRB who are appointed 3 years after us. The Honorable High Court has accepted this plea of ours and has decided our petition in our favor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.